Hi everyone, I'm back from Osaka, Japan, and today in front of us is the
CBC Blower Fan.
and we have here is the McSpicy meal. This one is the honey mustard, then this one is the original mayonnaise.
Okay, let's dive in. And I just bought some shake fries, nori flavor.
And mine was plain fries. Comes with a McFloat, Coke McFloat. And,
later I will do my life hack to where I'm going to refill 1 cup of Coke McFloat, and I got this.
Yes, nori. Sorry about the infringement music, copyright infringement music. Oops. And without further ado, let's take let's dine in and take a seat. Take my Coke from the side, and here's yours.
Max, take a taste of my nori shake fries.
I don't like it. I already taste that.
Okay. Nori, huh? Have you tried nori again?
I already tried nori. It tastes bad on my mouth.
Oh my. Apparently, okay. Dive in, bro.
Let's dine in.
This is gonna be too much fun. We're eating spicy.
Take McFloat on the side. Our favorite McSpicy. Honey mustard, plain mayonnaise. Here.
Woo! Fucking what does it taste, bro?
Sorry. It tastes good.
It tastes good and at the same time
Spicy. And be careful with your shirt because it's a white.
The honey mustard spicy McChicken sandwich is hey. The honey mustard McSpicy chicken sandwich is really good, and so does the original. They're both spicy. You should give this a try if you're brave enough to eat spicy foods.
Because I delivered his pasalubong from me in Japan.
Wash our mouth with Coke McFloat to remove the spice off our mouth. This is gonna be epic.
It tastes good, huh? Even the fries. Sorry.
Here's the nori shake fries.
But mine was plain.
I tried to give Bakrin a taste, but no, he doesn't like nori.
I know nori is made from Japan, but sadly, it tastes bad on my mouth.
And nori is no big deal for me. I have taste. Spicy? Mine too.
Freaking spicy. Here it is. This is the mayonnaise. That one is honey mustard. As you can see from the video.
Oh, you can smell this through your screen, huh?
Yes. Even mine too. Then I have another delivery of pasalubong again. This time to Armshell.
Don't mention him. Don't mention him in my videos. Okay?
Yeah, but it's already mentioned, sorry.
Yeah, Jack, next month after.
Woo! See?
This serves as my dinner already. His sandwich was already finished. Mine was not. So spicy.
I hope you can bear the spice, huh?
Yeah, we hope so.